Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial where I show you how to share your world in Lego Fortnite so your friends can play on your world when you're not online or vice versa. So the first thing that you want to do, obviously, you can see I'm in the lobby here and my buddy is in the lobby with me. You're going to see the ready up button and you're going to see the world option here. If you click on the world, you'll see your currently available worlds that you've created. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to create a new world. So I'm going to go to create new world, go to create, but you can do this with an existing world. So go ahead and select a world slot, select that. And then you can select an image, a game mode type, and all of this can be changed later as well, by the way. And then what you want to do is go ahead and click on Start, and it says, gives you the name of the world, and then go ahead and click OK. It's going to take a few minutes to create the world, populate all of the stuff there, and then it'll say World Created. So now what we'll do is go ahead and ready up. So I've readied up. Now, as you can see, the world has been loaded, and here I am, and here is my buddy right here in front of me. What you want to do is bring up the menu. So for me, it's tab. For you, it might be escape. Whatever brings up your map inventory here, and you're going to see a tab that says Players. Go ahead and click on Players here, and you're going to see that here I am, the world owner. You have to own the world, obviously, to share it. And then here is my buddy. He is a guest. But what I'm going to do is, you can see here I have 7 keys remaining. If I go to invite players, I can add some other players, or I can click on my buddy here and I can go to share key. So I click on share key. You have 7 to give out. And then now you can see that my buddy is a key holder for this world, which means that he can now log in and access my world under world select by being a key holder. You only have 7 of these to give out per world. And basically that means now when we go back to the world select, I don't have to be online and he can come work on basically the world as we go. And if we hop over to my buddy's account when he's logging in, you can see here he is from his perspective. He can go to shared worlds whenever he's logged in and I'm not active or online and select the world that I just created and gave him access to by giving him a key. And now he can ready up and go into the world that I just created. And so here he is now logged into that world. I am not active or online, and he can make changes, add things as if he was the world creator or holder because he's a key holder. So that's it. That's how you share worlds with your friends within Lego Fortnite. You have any further questions, put those in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.